Well, it's the Wandering Canucks, and we're at Toronto, and we're just approaching our gate. All those luggage carts are waiting for somebody. I see a little ground marshal there, so don't know if that's our gate, number C28. Looks like that's where we're going, is C28. I think we've just about stopped. No, we're still inching ahead where we have arrived. So, give us a like, subscribe to the channel. We're the Wandering Canucks in Toronto.